Okay, tonight is our raw food. This is our cauliflower Mexican raw rice. It is cauliflower with some Mexican spices and some peppers. Delicious. And this is looks like a basil zucchini raw dish. Both wonderful. Hello everybody, yet another delicious recipe, and this one is from another one of my favorite raw food recipe books. It's called How We All Went Raw, and this is a Spanish rice dish, the cauliflower dish. The other one was just made up, it was just some ingredients put together, but I'm going to put the recipe to the cauliflower rice dish. It's a recipe I've been making for a really long time. You're going to love it. It's simple and easy to make. The recipe is going to be below this video, and people ask me why I'm not showing making the recipes. Well, folks, it's just chopping up recipes and putting them together, and I want to show you the final result and give you the recipe and make that available for you. So look below the video now for this recipe. Make this recipe. I know you will like it, and most people won't even know it's raw or healthy. They'll just know it's delicious. So enjoy.